थोंग्रोंनि हाबरो हाबै बदलनि बागै सामुं ख्लायो हनै साकनि आइडेन्टिटी गोमानाय आबहाया जों बाहायके बाक्सा अंगै कायसा खरां तिसायमान न आबसे नायथाय दिल्लीनि त्रिपुरा हाजोआव गिफलै फायै अबहाय कक शाखा हानि बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देव बर्मा তিনি নভেম্বর তালি নৈচিনি সালমিরি চাষল দিল্লীনি কিফলি ত্রিপুরা হাসদেও সপাইখা বুবাগ্রা প্রদ্যুত কিশোর দেব বর্মা কক্তমা তুমনানি বসকাঙ্গো ফাयै বুবাগ্রা প্রদ্যুত কিশোর দেব বর্মা সাক দিল্লীও ব যে সামংনি বাগै थांमानि आ सामं गाहाम गोरों न लाइखा दिल्लीयाव थांगै वान नर्थ ईस्टनि नाहार मुंगतयै मिटिंगो आचकमानि बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देव बर्मा आ मिटिंगो आसाम अरुणाचल बड़ोलेण्ड कार्बी आंलं डिमासा हासाव मेघालया मणिपुर नागालैंडनि बरक कतर कतर रक फाइलाइजा बरकनि मानजाक मुंबाय बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देव बर्मा जतनि खरां कायसा फियाबा जतन जानिजार प्लेटफर्मो खरां जुदा जुदाके तिसलायो खरां जुदाके तिसया गारै जतन कायसा खरां तिसनानि शाखा बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देव बर्मा ककलाम सालायमुंनि बिसंति गताल आइडिया नर्थ ईस्टनि हामग्राय खायना बागै चापलायखा बाहायके नर्थ ईस्ट तंनाय तिप्रसरकनि हामग्राय खायमानो बाहायके तिप्रसरकनि सिनि मुंनो नारगैमानो आबरनो दै कक चापखा बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देव बर्मा बतै बसाका गताल आइडेन्टिटी क्रिएट खायनाय थोंग्रोंग हाबै बदलनि बागै सामुं ख्लायौनै साकनि आइडेन्टिटी साकनि सिनि मुंनो गोमानानै अबहाया जों बाहायके बाक्सा अंगै खरां कायसा तिसायमानो आबसे नायथाय शाखा बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देव बर्मा तै जों जत थानचो फायै खरां कायसा तिसाय खाहिंके केबचिनि आइडेन्टिटी सुबायमान गलाक शाखा बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देव बर्मा तिप्रस रकनि बागै इन्डिजिनियास रकनि बागै अबकाश कतर याप्रि सेमु जतन खरां कायसा जतन थानचो फायै खरां तिसनानि नांनाय शाखा बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देव बर्मा नुकजागो नर्थ ईस्ट जतनि खरां कायसा फियाबा अ खरां जुदा जुदा आलका आलका प्लेटफर्म रगो तिसा जागो फियाबा अ खरां कायसा ननो गोरोंसा थायो तिसा काहिंके आबो ताइबो चासावै फायनाय अबहाय न कक शाखा दिल्लीनि किफलै फायै बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देव बर्मा आबो कारै त्रिपुरा हासदेव जेतिखे थोंग्रोंनि केसेकेरें केतिंगै थोंग्रोंनि थेमरां रक बुलाय तगलाय ओंलायमानि उरपाटिलाय रक तैबो कक शाखा बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देव बर्मा ब शाखा अबहाय बुलाय तगलाय खलायनाय उर फुनांनाय थेमरां रक न रमना नांनाय फियो काहिंके अंगलाक बरक जेसपन बरक अंगै दंथों आ थेमरां रक न पॉलिटिकल प्रोटेक्शन रिनानिया शाखा बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देव बर्मा आबकारै अ नभेम्बर तालनि फाइनाय 2 सालमारिब आस्ताबल खलाब कायसा कतरमा रेली तै गेदारिं खलायजाकनानि थांगै दंगो आ सालो नर्थ ईस्टनि गोबांमा कतर बरक रक फाइबैनाय तै आ सालो जतन खरां कतर खलायै खरां कायसा तिसाबायनाय अबहाय न कक शाखा बुबाग्रा प्रद्युत किशोर देव बर्मा
Very good meeting. We had people coming from Assam, people coming from Arunachal Pradesh, from Bodoland, from Karbi Anglong, from Dimasa Hasao, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland. So the meeting was very good and we have made significant progress. And I think we are on track to create a new idea for Northeast, which will be taking a larger perspective of speaking out for the entire region from a single point of view.
Repeatedly this confusion is coming about what will be the future of Tripura Motha, which will be merged or it will be a new identity that will come, sir.
We have been very clear that there will be a new identity created. Now new identity is created when different sets of organizations amalgate and come out with a new idea. Now when I'm saying that, we are not merging into one party and losing our identity. We are coming with a concrete steps and plans on how we can come together and speak as one voice. And when we speak as one voice from the point of view of a Tiprasa or a Garo or a Khasi or a Meitei or a Naga or a Kuki or a Arunachali, and within Arunachal also we have different communities, Dimasas, Bodos as well, Karbi Anglong as well. So we are all trying to come together. Nobody is trying to finish each other's identity. We are just trying to strengthen each other so that we come out with a single platform and speak in one voice.
Why is it more important to come in a single platform?
I think it is very important. I think nobody is asking what happened to NDPP when Mr. Rio and NPF came together. People should understand that the problems of our people are more important than having a signboard. and there are various negotiations. Ideas are coming out. Name is being thought of. Flags. What will be the flag? That is being thought of. What will be our ideology? What will be our policy? These are things that has been discussed. I think that is more important than what is going to happen to me, or what is going to happen to Conrad, or what is going to happen to Daniel Langthasa or Mulumo Kikon or anybody. I think that is not important. What is important is, are we going to speak in one voice for our people, of the indigenous people of the Northeast? And I think that is the most important thing.
Do you think the Thangsa among the Northeast will give more negotiation power and Delhi has to hear more?
Delhi will also, see, Delhi does not have time to meet 10 people saying the same things from different states. If they meet us and we speak in one voice for everyone, then Delhi will also have to hear us out. Otherwise, Conrad is going and saying about ILP, I am going and saying about ILP, we are speaking on land issues, so is somebody from Nagaland speaking, so is somebody from Manipur speaking, from Dimasa Hasao, Hagrama is speaking, Karbi Goroland, John Kathar Inki is speaking. We are all saying the same thing. If we can come together and speak in one voice, what's the harm?
Exactly. Once coming back to the state, you are aware of some of the incidents that have taken place.
Yes.
What does it speak about, and how do you see into, because repeatedly the allegation is coming on your party particularly?
No, I think if you notice this time, our party offices have been burnt. Now we would not have burnt our own party offices. हमने तो अपना party office को जलाया नहीं होगा. Our workers were beaten up. हमने तो खुद अपने workers को पीटा नहीं होगा. तो जिसने मारा है, उनको भी पकड़ना, उनके खिलाफ भी तो कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए. So to say that there are miscreants on both sides of political spectrum. आज एक दिन सीपीएम का झंडा में था, एक दिन मेरे पार्टी के फ्लैग में था, आज बीजेपी के फ्लैग में है, कल कांग्रेस के फ्लैग में होगा. प्रॉब्लम है कि जो भी गुंडा है, गुंडा एलिमेंट्स है, उनको उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, उनको प्रोटेक्शन नहीं मिलना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो एक फ्लैग आज उठा रहा है, क्योंकि गुंडे का कोई पॉलिटिकल धर्म नहीं होता है. आज बीजेपी का फ्लैग में है, एक समय सीपीएम के फ्लैग में था, बीच में शायद मोथा में आया होगा, कल फिर कांग्रेस में चला जाए. गुंडे के खिलाफ कार्रवाई किया जाना चाहिए और पॉलिटिकल प्रोटेक्शन नहीं मिलना चाहिए.
लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चन एक साथ कर लेते हैं. महाराज, योर one of the minister who belongs to your party had categorically said the home ministry is one-sided, they are not taking action against the miscreants, and he even demanded if home ministry is given to your party, it will work better. And another, how do you see into their development that is taking place?
You are talking about Animesh De Burma's statement. Let me speak to him. In what context has he said it? Because he had gone and visited the people. मैं उनसे बात करके मैं उनसे पूछूंगा कि on what context he said it. But मिनिस्ट्री डिमांड करना वो गैर कानूनी काम तो है नहीं. That is his democratic right. But I think right now the most important thing is कि हमारा रैली 27 तारीख को है. नवंबर 27 तारीख को अस्ताबल ग्राउंड में हम लोग रैली करेंगे. कॉनराड सांगमा इज कमिंग, डैनियल लांगथासा इज कमिंग, मुलुमो किकॉन इज कमिंग, अजय एडवर्ड्स फ्रॉम गोरखालैंड इज कमिंग. मेनी पीपल आर कमिंग ऑन द 27. और उस रैली में हमको एक आवाज़ में अपने लोगों के बारे में बात करना चाहिए. आज होम मिनिस्ट्री डिमांड किया है, कल मैंने भी खुद कहा है कि वी कैन हैव अ तिपरासा चीफ मिनिस्टर. लेकिन द पॉइंट इज दैट पीपल should be benefited and there should be no violence, because जब violence होता है तो गरीब इंसान का नुकसान होता है. मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा anybody who is rich and powerful losing their shop or their property. Is only the poor who suffer. So I am against any form of violence, and if the chief minister thinks that there can be a larger dialogue between Tipra Motha, BJP, the police officials, I am welcome for that.
खुलुमका हसने लुकुरंगनो नगनि बागै बेलेकिनो कहम सेब तुबि फेका सेंट जोसेफ हॉस्पिटल वेस्ट नवाबदी आमतली अगरतला वेस्ट त्रिपुरा हसने फातरा थाया करनो hayung bermni sakdok naikani sep nahari mano belekino rang kisa baino o hospital lo sarbrumno general OPD wo sakdok naijago o hospital lo x-ray ki sutui cough test klayarni bagi namoshak shepshap tongo te test khlai rijago o hospital lo hatibar thugino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai sakdok naifeyo tei abashimia o St. Joseph Hospital lo talburum na Chennai specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno kariba o hospital lo latest technology bai dal bidal bemarogni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi sakdok najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phaidi kaham hayong bemni sakdok sebmana ni musungkhake eba tebasina musungkhake kengdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala, is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month, second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khumulwng St. Joseph Hospital Agartala Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital Rwkha Ham treatment ungo operation facilities rok tongo every month Chennai ni specialist doctor hayor treatment khaipayo Kubuni Hospital Login Sulai or Kisha Rangbaino Kaham treatment ungo all types of investigation blood test x-ray scan ungo 24-hour doctor facilities tongo Taibo kaham kai saimanna ni bagai tin hospital of hai visit khalaimano hambai